What's going on, YouTube? It's Kevin from KTMusicGroup bringing you another reaction video. All right, this reaction request comes from G.I. Bro. Y'all killing me with the names. And he wants me to react to My Girl Josephine by Supercat. I've never heard this before. I think I've heard of Supercat, but I'm not familiar with the music. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. You know how we do. Check out the merch, leave a reaction request, and also subscribe to my smooth jazz funk reaction channel if you haven't already. Right here. All right, we're back. So without further ado, let's get into My Girl Josephine by Supercat. First time hearing. I like these kind of videos. All right, let's do it.
Well, it is original Josephine, my baby. I say I'm the king, I want to make you the queen. Long time I want to let you in because you're so distant and clean. You see what I mean? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, it needs to be that.
Oh, that's old. That's really old school. Oh, that's got some soul to it. All right. It's blues, right?
Hello, baby, over here is there and over there is far. Come on over, baby, and get closer to the bar. She's wiggling and she's jiggling and she's moving with the star. Outside, baby girl, and that's my brand new Chevy car. I get it from my granddaddy, return home.
I can play that right now.
Down boy, don't read Elvis and his team from SLR. His golden pocket, what's in a box of Cuban cigar. We give her the keys and say some go and make yourself a star. So the love that alcohol for
I always like the blues, like church music.
Josephine, you want to see the superstar. For the longest time, my baby, you are really searching for Josephine, Josephine,
that was so great.
Josephine.
How do you do, Josephine?
Do you remember me, my baby? I gotta remember you now.
See you now.
You used to cry so much.
Imagine.
It was a crying shame.
Alright. Hello.
Yeah, that reminds me of dang, that sounds a little bit like Ray Charles. It's in that lane. You know what I'm saying? That's the style of music I remember my dad playing. I told y'all before, my dad was a drummer. It's blues, all right? So it's blues. So you talking about Ray Charles? You talking about church type music? You know, shit, I just got back from rehearsal from playing, but we wasn't playing blues today. But anyway, let's keep going. This is a fun song.
Oh baby, tell me why you keeping me so far. Every white and you will love and you're the dad for you in the spark. Candlelight and then having shopping caviar. I heard his name is Radix when we bumped and it's a war. And all your friends are saying he's a London superstar. Josephine, Josephine, Josephine.
Josephine ain't no joke. I hear sax man. Sax, trombone, horn section. Josephine, the actress playing in this video. Ooh-wee. All right, fellas, y'all agree with me? Y'all let me know. All right, let's just keep going.
Leave her. How do you do? She can't share for two stars.
Do you remember me, my baby?
Imagine.
I can't remember you.
Same thing.
You used to cry so much. It's a crying shame.
Chat back. Hello, baby, over here is near and over there is far. Come on over, honey, get closer to the bar. She's wiggling and
It's a fun song.
she's chilling with the star. Outside only girl, and that's my brand new prestige car. I get it from my granddaddy, return home from the war. Josephine, Josephine. Josephine, Josephine.
Hello, Josephine. How do you do?
How you
Do
mean?
you remember me, my baby?
What's the one glass?
I can't remember you.
Imagine.
You used to laugh at me
Same place.
and holler, woo, woo, woo.
Oh God.
Oh, now I'm Mr. Josephine.
How you mean?
Josephine.
Josephine.
That's out of my lane.
Oh, I remember you.
Levi.
Remember.
She can't.
Yeah, I was trying to catch that on Josephine. Where's Josephine?
Remember.
Anyway,
She cannot cheer for
Josephine's a
co-star.
looker. My dad would have said, ha! That actress, whoever played Josephine, is fine. My dad, what would dad say? Oh shoot, my dad would say, yeah, he'll tell them right to their face, you're a looker. That's what he used to say. That's what my dad used to say. Man, that's a fun song. You got the blues, you got the vocals sounding like Ray Charles. Oh, man, that's some good music. I love the blues anyway. All right, you know, I went crazy over Ray Charles music in the first place, and you know, and I got exposed to most of his music from the movie. All right, the movie's called Ray. But anyway, that's a fun song, man. I love the blues. That's a great song. Most definitely 2 thumbs up. You can't go wrong. And Josephine deserve her own song. She's a beast. Josephine's a beast. Fellas, y'all agree? Y'all let me know in the comments. All right, but it's a fun song. I like the instrumentation. Drums remind me of my dad. The bass, I love it. I love playing the blues. That 2-5-1 progression. All right, that's basically what you get in the blues. All right, or 1-4-2-5 back to 1. All right, you musicians, y'all know what that means. Y'all know what to do. Check out the merch. Leave a reaction request. And as I always like to say, good music is in the ear of the beholder. Great music is timeless. And the blues are timeless. This song sounds good. I would listen to this today. I mean, it just brings back memories. The sounds. I've never heard the song before, but the sounds bring back memories. All right. Till next time, y'all take care. Y'all know what to do. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Keep that funk coming. Keep that funk coming. Peace.